Dear students, welcome to my channel. My name is Krishna, your BBS trainer. In this video, we are going to learn how to calculate the column main bars and rings for this L-shaped column and this shear wall SW1 and SW3 and SW2 and SW4. So by seeing this drawing, you people will feel that you so much big column, how to calculate this much big column, like that you people will feel. But this much big column quantity is very easy to calculate. Just see, I will show it in the Excel file. So these are the quantities you have calculated from footing to mid of the ground floor for the main reinforcement, and this is the column reinforcement from ground floor to first floor, and this is the column reinforcement from first floor to second floor, and this is the column reinforcement from second floor to third floor respectively. These yellow tabs are for the ring calculations. So I will start from the footing to mid of the ground floor for this L shaped column. For this L shaped column, I am going to start from the footing to this ground floor level. So for that, what we have to do, already we have calculated some column reinforcements from footing to ground floor level. For those, I will copy this C30 column. I am going to copy this C30 column content from footing to ground floor to calculate the L shaped column. So I will copy that, and I will come to below line, and I will leave one line, and I will write this is the serial number 109 because of this column number is C109. So in this, what is the number of column is 1 number, and number of rods, I want to take this number of rods in the L column. What is the number of rods in the footing to stilt floor level? Stilt floor means ground floor. Here it is C109, total 38 number of 12 mm dia is there. So 38 number of 12 mm dia means, so 38 divided by 2 means 19 number. 19 number of longer rod and 19 number of short rod, and dia of the rod is 12. Dia of the rod is 12, and the footing cover is 50 mm 50 mm, and this is the sum of footing bottom mat plus additional mat. For that, what you have to do, so this is the column number C109. You have to check it in the column light, where is the L column. So this is the L column C109, and the same you have to go to the footing layout for the column L column, where it is L column. So this L column is coming in the combined footing CF11. So go to that CF11 where it is there. So this is the CF11 detail. CF11 detail is here, and here is this footing mat is placed over here. You see here, this is the additional mat also is given over here. This L column is placed over that additional mat. So what is the main mat and additional mat details over here? You see, this is the first mat 16 dia at 175, and one more direction is 16 dia at 175, and the second layer of this is also one more direction 16 dia at 175, and one more direction 16 dia at 175. So total 4 numbers of 4 set of 16 dia at 175 is placed over here in the 4 mat. So then we have to deduct this 4 mat dimensions. So this is equal to 16 into 4 times. So this is equal to 16 into 4 times of footing sum of footing bottom mats and additional mats. And this is the basement floor level, and this is the ground floor slab top level, and this is the ground floor height. All this we have taken from the architectural drawing levels. You can see in our this column reinforcement from footing to ground floor level what we have calculated. You can check this link. You will get all these levels how we have checked and entered over here. And this is 1.8. This is the footing top from basement floor level. This is the footing top from basement floor level means you have to see this is the footing. This is the same footing. This is the basement floor level, and this footing top is placed below this grade slab and PCC. Grade slab thickness 150 and PCC is 100. Just below 250 mm this footing top is there. So then this is equal to 0.25. This is 0.25. And what is the footing depth? Footing depth is 750 mm. footing depth is 750 mm. Okay, it's already 750 mm is there. And this is the L anchorage length of column rod, and this is the lap length for 12 mm dia. What is the lap length for 12 mm dia? Lap length for 12 mm dia is as per this table. 12 mm dia lap length is 350 mm. 0.35, 0.35. So now you see the column rods have been calculated from footing to ground floor level. Next we can go to ground floor to first floor. Then you have to calculate same, you can copy one more column detail above, control C and insert in the below. Then this is the 109 MK serial number, this is C109. So in this all are continuous rod now. So all the curtail longer rod and shorter rod is over here. Now all the rods are become continuous. So this is the 109, this is the from footing to ground floor, then this is the ground floor to first floor. Here it is 38 number of 12, here all 38 number of 12, and here also all 38 number of 12 dia. So what you have to do, the same thing what you have to do in the previous quantity you have copied now is continuous rod. Total this is 38 number of 12 dia. This is ground floor height, first floor height and everything as per the architectural drawing. This is the rod below first floor and this is the rod above first floor as per the 0.4 ratio and 0.6 ratio. And this is the lap length. Lap length as per the 12 dia is 350. So then all the things have been calculated. So our result came in one line itself. This line is not required. So similarly again from first floor to second floor also same one previous column you have to copy and insert below this thing. So because once you calculated from this ground floor to first floor, no, so the same file you are creating in the next level. Then once you calculated from the ground floor to first floor, then from first floor to second floor while you are calculating, already the default this calculation sheet will come. Only you have to go to that respective number and you have to go and change this. Here also 38 number of 12 dia and the lap length is same. The same thing will come from this floor to this floor. And here also what you can do, this 109 and C109, because I have not calculated, no, that's why this is. So we have to change, this is 38 number and this is 12 dia, and as per that 350 is the lap length. And similarly from the column from second floor to third floor, same thing, one more copy of previous, again that copy will come over here in this while you are changing the tab. Then here I am not doing that, so I have calculated only few columns for your practice. When you are completing this first floor to second floor complete drawing, when you are creating this, no, when you are move or copy you are doing for the next level, at that time all these column details will come over here. Here only you have to go to the serial number and column numbers and you have to change the respective detail. That's it. This is 38 number of 12 dia. When it is in the previous, then already this same data will be there. You can go directly as per that. So this is the column main rods for the L column. Similarly, I will calculate for the ring for the same. So the same L109, I am going to calculate the ring. So the same location from ring from footing to ground floor. So for that what you have to do, the same, this is the 200 column, no, already we have calculated some 200 columns. The same 200 column content you have to copy and insert in the new area. So this is column number 109 and this is C109. So here C109, how many types are there? If you see in this C109, it is an L shape. L shape means here it is two columns are there. One is horizontal column and one is vertical column. How can you want to name it? You can name it. Either you can name it as horizontal and vertical, or you can name it as shorter column and longer column. So I am going to name it as an horizontal column and vertical column. This is horizontal is 900 by 700, vertical is 1200 by 200. So now I am going to split this into two types. C109 horizontal. I will call it as horizontal. Okay, next So this is 109. You can wrap this test, then it will come in one line and align it to left side. Then this is the outer ring and inner ring. So horizontal column, how much outer ring is there? In horizontal column, so you see this is the horizontal column, one outer ring is there and three inner ring is there, and there is no hooks. This is one outer ring and three inner ring, and there is no hook is 0. Size is 900 by 200, 900 by 200. Height, this horizontal column height has to be taken as per this our horizontal column. We have calculated the column height, no, same here this column height is there 3.35. The same 3.35 you have to enter it in millimeter. So 3.35. Next, this number of 135 degree or number of 90 degree and dia of the ring, everything is same. So as per the previous detail. And this is the corner column rod dia and center column rod dia. In this you can see this is the corner column rod dia. You see all are 12 dia. So all are 12 dia means corner column rod dia, inner rod dia, everything will come 12 mm only. 12 mm. Column cover is 40 mm and spacing is 200 mm, and there is no diamond ring and there is no details for the diamond ring. And this is the one side number of column rod between diamond ring is there, no, here there is no diamond ring, but as per the this ring you have to calculate the number of rods at one side for this column. How much it is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 is there. So you have to write that 9 number over here. And this is the both side hook, it will calculate as per 2 into 10d, and bend deduction will calculate as per the bend deduction formula. And this is the x value which is calculated for 200 mm column. This is the x value we have edited in the previous calculation. You can check, this is we have calculated the x value, this x value as per the 200 mm column width. And this is the number of center rod spacing in between that rod, means in this you see this is the center ring, this is the center ring. So how much rod is there in between the center ring? Two rods. Two rods means one spacing. This is the one spacing is in between that rings. Then everything will be calculated automatically. The formula, cutting length, total number of length, ring, total length, everything will calculate Excel. Only you have to copy the respective rows and you have to insert below. You should not move here and there. So then if you move this rows and here and there, then it will become difficult, then formulas will get mismatched. The same row you can copy in the upper side and paste it in the downside, then there is no changes in the formula, the same formula will come down, then you can edit and go. So similarly, ring from footing to ground floor you have calculated, no, no sorry, one more is there. So 1C109 horizontal you have calculated, and same thing you have to same you copy and paste it just below that the same 109, because that is both are same column. Remove this serial number, this C109 vertical is there, no, you can change it, this C109, sorry, this C109 horizontal is there, no, the same C109 horizontal you can change it to C109 vertical. Now here also vertical, same outer ring, center ring and hooks are there. Then how many things are there? Just count it. In this you see, so one outer ring is there and four inner ring is there and only one hook is there. So this is 1 4 1. So one number of column is one outer ring, four inner ring and one hook. And the size of the column is how much? It is 1000. You see this is 1200 by 200 mm. 1200 by 200, and this column height is as per the same previous, and this bend and everything is same, and this 135 degree bend and 90 degree bends are same, dia of the column is same, and the corner chord and center rod also same, and this number of clear cover and spacing is same, and this one side number of column rods between diamond ring is there, no, this will get changed. So here how many rods are there at one side? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 number. So total 12 number of rods is there at one side. Then this is the both side hook is same, and bend deduction will calculate, and this is the x value which is calculated as per 200 mm column size, and this is the number of rods and center rod spacing, and here also these rods are the centerings are placed in between two rods, that's why one spacing it will come, the spacing is 1. So this is the C109 L column ring calculation from footing to ground floor, and the same from the ground floor to first floor is there, no, same this ground floor to first floor, the same complete column you can copy and paste it for the ground floor to first floor, because when you are creating this tab to this tab, no, the same file will become, because all this number of vertical columns are there, no, this number of columns should be same from this file to this file, then only you can copy paste from here to there. So that is the one easy for in Excel. So then what, from ground floor to first floor, what you have to change, only this column number, only you have to, column numbers are same, only you have to change this column height as per the this previous column height is there, no, same, you can control C and paste it over here, and again control C and paste it over here. Only this column height has to be say change, and everything should be same, because you see only this column, all the column details are same from here to here, only height will become change. Similarly, in from first ground basement to ground over, ground to first over, from first to second, the same 38 number of 12 is there, some from first to second, what you have to do, and here some column from ground floor to first floor is same, from first floor to second floor, you see the number of columns is there up to AH, and in this the number of column is there up to AF only, because the few columns have been removed for this floor. So here what you have to do, you have to change from as per the previous column itself. You have to control C and you have to insert below the one line, and here also you can give the column name as serial number as 109 and column number C109 horizontal. I will put H horizontal. Same centering and outering. Okay, number of column is 1 and centering outering is 1 and 3, and this is 0. Hook is 0, 1 outer ring and 3 centering, hook is there, and for this I will do it next. And the same column size is, this is 900 by 200, 900 by 200, column height as per this this thing, and on 35 degree 90 degree bends are same, and this is the 12 because of all the diaphragms are 12, and this is number of one side column, in this is 9, and in this it is 12. So you see all the column spacing, everything is automatically calculated. Sorry, the number of this is 1 only, not 12. This is also 1, this is 9. So similarly again you have to copy and control C and paste just below, remove that serial number, and this is C109 vertical, not horizontal, this is vertical, I put V. The same rings is 1 and this is 4 and this is 1, sorry, this is 1, and this column size is 1200 by 200, height and everything is same everything, and this is one side number of column only will get changed. This one side number of column rods for this is same 12 number, no, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. This is here also it will become 12, and this is 1 only. So this also completed. Then first floor to second floor it is same, and the same second floor to third floor where we are copying converting. So from here to here it's the same thing, we can control C and put it in the second floor to third floor level, insert it. You see here also this number of columns up to AF is there, and this is number of column here also up to AF is there. That's why you can copy paste, because why I copy pasted now, both columns are same, but after completing this all the columns from first floor to second floor, we are creating the same column to next level, then automatically this same column details will come in the next floor level. Only you have to go and edit whatever the required changes. Next, this is also over. Second floor to third floor also completed. Go and as it is, second floor to third floor, floor height is same and everything, number of rods and everything is same. Why it is same? Because this column detail is same for all the floor level. Same thing you have to do up to terrace level. This is sixth floor level, and sixth from this is seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th floor is there. So about terrace, some separate detail is there that we will study later. Now I am going to explain this lift wall. So how to calculate this lift wall? I will explain. The SW1 and SW3 is typical, and SW2 and SW4 is typical. I will explain SW2 and SW4. Then SW1 and SW3 is same as that only. So I will take this SW2 and SW4. For that, what you have to do? Same, go to the footing to ground floor. You can copy this C109 column itself, Control C, and insert in one new tab and change this. I am giving this is a serial number 110, and this shear wall is SW2 comma SW4M, explaining SW1 and 2 you people have to be do in this SW2 and SW4. So what are the types of rod is there? Just we will see the drawing. So here you see 20 number of 20 is there, and 20 number of 16 is there. So in this what will become? Out of 20 number of 20, 10 will be longer rod and 10 will be shorter rod. Out of 20 number of 16, 10 will be longer rod and 10 will be shorter rod. So first we will do it for 20 mm dia. So this is 10 number, 10 number, this is 20 dia, 20 dia, and footing cover is 50 mm, 50 mm, and the sum of footing bottom mat plus additional mat. Again what you have to do? So this SW2 and SW4, where it is placed in the column layout, you see this is the SW2 and SW4 lift walls. The same location you have to go to the footing. So we have to, this is the SW2 and SW4, and this is placed on RF2. What is the RF2 bottom mat details? This is the RF2 bottom mat detail, and this lift wall is placed on the additional mat also. So then what are the rod details over here? You see this is the first layer of rod, 20 at 125 and 20 at 125, bottom first layer. Then this is 20 plus 20, and the second layers of rod is, one is 16 dia at 250, one is 8 at 250. Then totally how much? 20 plus 20 plus 16 plus 8. So this much you have to be had it over here. This is equal to 20 plus 20 plus 16 plus 8 mm. So this is the total number of dia of rods in the footing what this column is placed. And this basement floor level, ground floor top level, and ground floor height, everything will be taken from the architectural drawing. Then this is the footing top from basement floor level. This is very important. So you see where this footing top is placed over. This is our ground floor, sorry, basement floor level 95.8, and this footing is 1800 mm from this basement floor level. That is including this grade slab and PCC thickness. So 1800 mm, and the footing depth is 900 mm. This is 1800 means 1.8 and 1.8. And what is the footing depth? 0.9. 0.9 is 900 mm. And this is the anchorage 0.3 for that rod. And lap length. Lap length for the 20 dia is how much? Lap length for the 20 dia is 575. 0.575. 0.575. So rest everything it will calculate. And now 20 dia is over. Next, what is the one more dia is there here? You see here we have finished 20 dia. Now what is the remaining is 16 dia. Same 20 number of 16 dia is there. So 20 number of 16 dia means same, you can copy the same, Control C, and just paste it down. and you can change all this 10 10. This is 16 and 16, and all the footing, everything is same, footing depth is same, column is same, only lap length has to be changed. Lap length as per the 16 dia is 475, 0.475 and 0.475, and rest everything is calculated. So similarly, have to come from ground floor to first floor. Ground floor to first floor, what it has to be, what is the column detail over here? You see here 20 number of 20 is there, here 20 number of 16 is there. The same thing has been changed here, 20 number of 16 and 20 number of 12. So the same thing you have to be do it over here. Here continuous rod and this so there is 4 continuous rod, longer shorter rods, that now here it is only continuous rods. So copy this C53 column detail and just insert it in the downside. You can change it. It is in 110 serial number given. This is SW2 comma SW4. And one more thing I forgot to tell you. So this is the SW1 and SW4, no? So two column has came here, SW2 one column and SW4 one column. Then this number of column will become two numbers. Otherwise you will miss one column quantity. Okay, so here also what you have to do, SW1 and SW4. Here also serial number 2, serial number 2. And the number of rods means here you see how much number of continuous rods over here. You see here it is 20 number of 16 dia and 20 number of 12 dia. 20 number of 16 dia and 20 number of 12 dia. Next, floor heights will be as per the architectural drawing. This is the rod below first floor level, this is rod above first floor level, and this is the lap length. As per the lap length, so 16 dia lap length is 475 and 12 dia lap length is 350. So this is the column rod from ground floor to first floor finished. Next, from first floor to second floor, same thing will come for the first floor to second floor. You see, you can copy paste, and this is go to the column rods from first floor to second floor. You see, this is the first floor to second floor, only one item is there, only 40 numbers of 12 dia. So only one line it will come, all this continuous rod, this is 110 and this is SW2 comma SW4, and this number of column is 2 and total number of rod is 40 numbers, dia is 12, floor height everything is same, lap length is same. So this first floor to second floor also came. Then second floor to third floor, what is the detail? Same 40 number of 12. So second floor to third floor also same. What you have to do, Control C, insert copied cell, 110 SW2 comma SW4, number of columns 2, 40 numbers of 12 and lap length is same. So like this is the column main bars. Similarly, go to the ring. So for the ring, what you have to do, same, only one item you have to copy paste. You can copy this C109, no? So I will copy this, same from footing to ground floor. Then this is the serial number I am giving 110. So this is SW2 comma SW4. This is outer ring, this number of columns are 2 and what is the outer ring and center ring. You see in this how much outer ring is there. You see in this outer ring 1 is there and center ring 1 2 3 4 5 6 is there and 5 hook is there. 1 5 5 1 5 and 5. And what is the size of this column? Size of this column 2950 by 200. 2950 by 200. And this height SW2 and SW4 height, how much it has came? You see, as per the main rod you can go and check. If 4900 came, so the same thing you have to write 4900 column height. And this 135 degree bend, 90 degree bend are all same and dia same. and this corner column rod dia and center column rod dia. What is the corner column rod dia over here? Corner column rod dia is 20, and this center column where this centering is placed, no, in that also you see here also 2 and here also 2. So maximum rod dia is 20. You can write 20. You see, for this and this is placed in the 20 dia, and these 4 is placed in the 12 dia. Either you can take it in 2 line for this centering, you can divide it 2 times for this thing, or you can merge it, so you can give the higher dia rod spacing also work out, no problem. So I am giving this outer rod dia also 20 and inner dia also 20, because maximum is 16 is there, you give maximum 16, it is you can give 16, you can give it. This is 20 and this is 16, and this number of one side column rods means total 40 number of rods is there. 20 plus 20, 40 is there, then one side it will come 20 numbers, 20, and these are all same. And this is the inside rod spacing calculated x value, and this is the number of rod spacing. You see, this is the different in this column. You see here, this is the center rod. In the center rod, how many rods are there? Total 3 rods are there. If 3 rod comes means 2 spacing. This is the very important, you have to write over 2 here. Then this is the 2 rods in between that ring. So then this will come 300 mm. So this is the column rod ring calculation from footing to ground floor. The same thing from ring from ground floor to first floor. The same thing you have to copy, and ring from ground floor to first floor you have to paste it over here, right? Insert copied cell, CW2, same thing, everything is same, numbers are same, ring is same, and here only what is the changes from here to here? There is no changes, because here you see this is also 20, here 20 dia and 16 dia, here 16 dia and 12 dia. Here what you have to change? Only this has to be changed. This will become 16, this is 12, and this number of rods, everything is same. So then go to the next floor. This is the ring. So here you have to calculate separately, because the columns will not match. That's why here you have to calculate separately. Then what you have to do? Then you have to copy this and insert in the below cell. Then this is I given 110. So this is SW2 comma SW4. So outer ring, this is number of columns are 2 2s. Then this rings 1 comma how much, what is the rings? This is same, 1 outer ring, then which is this level. This is 1 outer ring of 1 6. This is total 6 is there, no? Here how much is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 and 6. I think I made in the mistake in the previous, no? You see, not, this is not 5, this is 6 6, 6 hook and 6 this thing, these are all 6 6, not 5 5. You see, you have to see the drawing properly. 1 6 comma 6. This is not 5, I thought it is 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 is there. Similarly here also you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 is there, and 6 hook is there. 6 6, and these are all same. And here all the dias have been changed into 12 dia. So here you see 16 12, and here everything is changed into 40 numbers of 12. Then this will become 12 12 12, and this is 2, because this rod is placed in between 3 rods has been placed in between this inner ring. So similarly the next floor level also same, you can copy paste this same SW2 and SW4 for the next level. You can insert it over here, and the same thing you can copy paste, the same can copy paste to the all level, because from here onwards all the column levels, all the column reinforcements are 40 12 40 12, same ring, same rings, same inner rings. So everything can be copy paste in the upper level. So similarly, what you have to do is how I calculated in the SW2 and 4, no, the same thing you can calculate for SW1 and 3. See, here it is two set is there, here only one set is there. If you want anybody this drawing and Excel sheet for your practice, just contact this number or email ID. I will share with you this drawing for your practice. I hope you all like this video. Kindly subscribe if you are not subscribed, and like and share with your friends and colleagues. And if you have any comments, please comment in the comment box. Thank you very much.